Anya's taking vids.
You're taking vids!
We're both taking vids.
So, Captain Hank,
Yeah.
how are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty confident about going through here. What about you?
No, this is about you. This isn't about me.
Okay. I'm feeling good. I feel like we hit this at the perfect time.
Yeah?
We got up pretty early, but there's a lot of other boats going through right now. There's one over there, there's one in front of us.
There's two in front of us, aren't there?
Yeah, there's two in front of us.
I just say follow this line and we'll be peachy keen. Not gonna complain about the view, because it's pretty tight.
This is crazy.
This week on the Ania and Henry vlog spectacular, we're sailing through Deception Pass to Lopez Island and then off to Friday Harbor.
So we're in the middle of the Rosario Strait right now, and it's just a little bit foggy. How would you describe the weather right now?
Dense.
Yeah, it's definitely a little unnerving in here.
What?
I don't know. I'm just getting my features.
Can you focus?
Land!
Land!
We see land!
I have scurvy.
That was actually pretty scary.
Okay, Henry, where are we?
We made it to Lopez Island.
Ah!
After a week, we're finally here. We're gonna take our dinghy over to an island that's about a half a mile right behind the camera.
You're such a bullshitter.
Why?
Yeah, you half mile away?
Wait, really? You think it's shorter or further?
I have no idea. You just say it with such confidence, like you know.
I'm good with distances.
I know. Your superpower?
Yeah. All right, we're rowing to an island right now. I'm rowing to an island right now. The one that's a half mile away. I think it might actually be a little bit further. So I'm getting a little tired.
I'm enjoying myself.
This row is a lot further than a half mile. You were like, oh, a half mile. You're so wrong. You're bad at distances. It's like a whole mile. My back is so tired. We're almost there though. Got it.
Okay, let me get out.
We did it.
We did it!
I don't know where we're going. I think we're going up there.
We don't have shoes.
Yeah. Rather painful. Chili's, it's beautiful, it's on the beach with the waves coming in. I love the Chili's. And Ania Brown.
Looks like there might be someone else coming to share our beach.
Oh shit, really?
I don't know, you can't really beach something like that.
What do you have to say of this beach?
Of this beach or you? Because I have
Both.
my opinions about both.
Whoa! Spicy! I got Ania to row on the way back. Ha 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 ha. Do you have anything to say for yourself?
No, there's a sea blob. We got a lot of current right here. Look, that's where we were up there.
Gorgeous. Unfortunately, there's no wind. We made it to Friday Harbor. We got a slip in the marina. It was the last one available. Somebody had just canceled. We got super lucky.
Only because of our boat name.
Only because our boat's called For the Shire and the guy behind the desk loves Lord of the Rings. We got pizza and we got salad. And now we're gonna watch Netflix.
I'm happy.
I'm happy too. Oh, this is getting filmed. This is evidence that sometimes I make mistakes. That mistake, I ate pizza from a Chinese food restaurant. And now the consequences are hitting my stomach, and they have been all day.
And his butt.
Hey, your butt is sticky too. But
We both have the runs, and I threw up last night, and then I still ate another leg sliver this morning and feel bad again, but it's fine.
yeah, man, fuck.